In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create leads in Zoho CRM, Quick Lead Entry. If you're looking to capture new prospects fast, the Quick Lead Entry in Zoho CRM is the simplest way to get them into your pipeline without breaking your flow. We'll move through the process smoothly, keep data clean, and make sure the essentials are saved so you can follow up right away. Start by opening Zoho CRM and heading to the home page. This gives you a neutral starting point and ensures the Quick Create menu behaves consistently across modules. If you're already working elsewhere in the CRM, that's fine. Navigating back to home just keeps things straightforward for this workflow. At the very top of the page, look for the plus icon next to the search bar. This is your Global Create button. Give it a click to open a compact menu designed for fast data entry. From the list that appears, choose Lead. This opens a focused form specifically for lead details. So you're putting information in the right place from the start and keeping your accounts and contacts clean. Now, fill in the necessary information. Pay close attention to the fields marked in red. Those are mandatory and must be completed before you can save. Depending on your organization's setup, these commonly include items like last name and company, and sometimes an email or phone. Keep your entries accurate and tidy. Use proper name casing, confirm email spelling, and include a country code for phone numbers when possible. If your CRM highlights potential duplicates, take a quick look so you don't create a second record for the same person. Small checks here save time later. You can leave optional fields blank to move faster. The goal is to capture the lead now and enrich the record later when you have more context. As you learn more, you can come back to add things like lead source, industry, address, or notes. This approach helps you avoid bottlenecks while still building a complete profile over time. When you're done with the essentials, click Save. You should see the new lead record created right away. This confirms the entry was successful and gives you a single place to return to when you're ready to add more details or begin outreach. That's it. Open Zoho CRM Home. Use the plus icon, select lead, complete the required fields, skip the optional ones for speed, and save. With this quick routine, you'll keep your pipeline current, minimize duplicates, and capture opportunities the moment they appear.